Hi, it's Tash and welcome back to the Microsoft 365 SIP. Tonight I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Designer for free.
To access Microsoft Designer, open your web browser and go to the URL and type in designer.microsoft.com. This will bring you to the Microsoft Designer homepage, and you may be asked to log in with your Microsoft credentials. And remember, you can use a free personal account. This is a free tool that we can use. This is a graphic design tool powered by AI. So you can create images, wallpapers, invitations, banners, greeting cards, social media posts, even coloring in book pages. So just use the arrows to see and navigate what you can actually use Microsoft Designer for. Okay, so also another handy tip is if you press design from scratch, you'll get another whole range of templates here that you can go through: productivity, social media, print templates, paper, photo. So make sure you press design from scratch as well to give you a base template and some ideas of what you can create, and then you can go ahead and design that from scratch. So because it's Christmas, we're going to be using Microsoft Designer to create a Christmas card. So I'm going to click on greeting cards to get started. Now, if you look at the top right hand corner, you will see I've got some coins and a number 15. This is my AI credits left for this month. So when you have a new account, you sign in with your free personal account, you are granted 15 AI credits per month. And that means every time you interact with Copilot or the AI, to generate an image or a greeting card, you will lose 1 AI credit. So although this tool is for free, you are using up your credits. So be mindful that you know what you want to design before you design it, so you don't use your credits for no reason. Okay, so let's go ahead and create this Christmas greeting card with the AI. So we just click on the description, and I'm going to keep it nice and simple because I find with Microsoft Designer it's still fairly new and I want to keep it quite simple at this stage. So Christmas background with Santa Claus red design. Let's press create. It is expected that it could take some time to generate because it does need to think of the image it's creating. So just be a bit patient in this part. And let's see what options the AI can come up for us to create this greeting card. And there we go. So it's created some cool designs for me there. That's exactly what I wanted, something funky. I quite like this one, and as you can see, it's come up with some text as well. So if I click on this, Merry Christmas, and then here I just edit the text. So I can edit to what I want to write there. So you just have to double click to see all the text. And this is for my team. I want to send them a Christmas card at the end of the year, wishing you joy and warmth this holiday season. I might just get rid of that there. Thank you for being amazing. The 365. Oops, my typing. The 365 SIP team. And then that's it. Looks good to me. I am happy with that. That's what I wanted. And then I would just press download. And then there it is there. So Christmas background with Santa Claus red design. Open the file. Opened it twice, but this is what it would look like. And then I can send that to my team, put it in Teams or an email, whatever I like to do.
And that's a wrap. Please like and subscribe and follow the Microsoft 365 SIP for more Microsoft 365 tips and tricks.